Hey guys, Ramiz from Basan. Today I'll be making a chicken karahi recipe that was passed on to me by my awesome mom. The only difference is we made it Basan style. So let's get started. So we're gonna start off with cut chicken. We have 6 tomatoes, cilantro that's already soaking so we can chop it later. We're gonna come to our dry spices, salt, black pepper, chaat masala, coriander powder, red chili, garlic ginger paste, and of course oil. So guys, let's get started. Add 2 cups of oil and get it nice and hot, so when we add the chicken to it, it can sear and seal in the flavors. Oil is nice and hot. You can add the chicken. Just by the crackle of the oil, we can tell. After the chicken is nice and brown, you add garlic ginger paste, about 2 cooking spoons, and do a quick saute. Okay, it's time to add spices. We're gonna do 1.5 tablespoon red chili, 1.5 coriander powder, 1.5 salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon chaat masala. Make sure we give it a nice stir. So tomatoes are the life of every karahi. They are the ones that make the base for it. So I like to use a lot of tomatoes, but I like to use plum tomatoes because they disintegrate really fast without cooking your chicken too much. We add the tomatoes and do a quick saute so they can start breaking and start cooking with the chicken and make a nice masala. You see, the beautiful thing about these tomatoes are that they disintegrate. They broke down really fast, which is the coolest thing because it doesn't overcook the chicken, doesn't steam it. They break down fast, and then you separate the oil from the masala and your awesome chicken karahi is ready. Basan style. I'm gonna rough chop cilantro as a garnish. Chop up ginger for a garnish. Okay, the oil is separated from the masala, so we add our finishing touches, our cilantro, a little ginger, and a few green chilies. A little green masala, I love it. Makes it Basan style. Alright guys, the oil is separated from the karahi masala, which is the biggest indication of it being ready. Green masala is in. Gorgeous color, beautiful consistency. Now it's time to plate because we make it Basan style. Gorgeous chicken karahi. Basan style. We have plated our chicken karahi. As you can see, we've got perfect color, gorgeous consistency. We have freshly baked naans. This is as good as it gets. This is the recipe my mom taught me, and we made it Basan style. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please remember to subscribe and like it. Thank you, and you guys are awesome.